So, say hi, Azon. This is Brandon.
Yo,
This is
what it
Azon
do,
right
baby?
here.
Just record what you're doing.
So, Azon, what kind of car you got?
Wait, you can't do this.
Yes, I can. This is Azon's first video, everybody. Get him.
It's gonna be a little difficult because I got a cussing disorder. I gotta block all that.
Well, eventually we'll figure out how to do it.
So, what kind of car you got, Azon?
Some new Kia Optima.
What year is it, sir?
They changed this.
So we are just here vlogging with Azon. It's his first video, like I was saying. Introduce him to the crew. His first time on camera. I know he might be a little nervous, but we'll get it done.
This ain't my first time on camera.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean, so I'm just gonna ignore what he just said. So, there we go. He's lifting up the car. Doing a quick overview of his car, see what he needs to get done in the near future. So we're just introducing his Optima to the channel. Some 215, 55, 17 tires here with some nice alloy wheels. It has dual exhaust. It's for you Kia fans out here. It's a nice car. On the underside, a lot of plastic covering, like a lot of cars have nowadays. Yeah. And here's Azon, he's checking his brakes now. How are they looking, Azon? Back brakes are good, front brakes gonna have to do soon. Looks like you might need some tires soon, especially with winter season here in Connecticut. Gotta be careful out here. Just doing a quick overview so I can make a checklist of what he needs to do in the near future. Future content coming soon. Say anything else, sir?
Nah, I need a new car.
Here's where the oil filter is. It's in the shield. Also got the drain plug up in there too. Just got a quick look so you guys know for oil changes on your Optimas.
Brakes out of 3, baby.
So that, what that mean, baby?
That means you got new brakes, baby.
Alright, so we gotta get that content up soon, you know? What's up? How come you have like one good tire?
When they hit my car.
Oh yeah. Azon had been in an accident. Someone ran a stop sign and hit him. You know, things happen, so they replaced this tire, axle, all this stuff right here. The bumper, the struts, the spring, all this got replaced in the accident. Car was gone away for like over a month, but he finally has it back now and it's running good.
Better be.
But we're gonna have some issues with that body shop. Checking this tire pressure real quick. Hola, John. Hola, John.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, we do speak Spanish here at the Englishman Garage. So, mi gente, tú sabes, Puerto Rico y Guatemala.
He has no idea what that means.
You don't have any idea what that means.
And in English, that translates to that Eric is Guatemalan and Puerto Rican.
Yes. I'm not a white boy. I'm Hispanic.
So welcome, John. John's here.
Hey, Rico Suave!
This is his,
Suavemente!
¿Qué año Venza? 10? 2010 Venza. Pretty nice car, comfortable ride.
Suavemente!
John takes very good care of his car. replaces a lot of parts on his car, even though it seems like he might need to not replace parts, but he does it anyway. He wants his car to be as new as possible. Today he's doing, let's see what John's doing. Oh, he's doing the BG Clean as a new setup from when I did my TC. Way better tube now, like the other one that, if you guys seen our video in the past, we'll post a link in this video for you if you haven't seen it. The tube is a lot smaller and sometimes the foam will spray backwards, but it looks like it's new and improved now. Nice clear tube now, no more backfire, hopefully. John's trying to make his vehicle smell good. No more dirt, no more bacteria in there. Wants that vehicle to smell as good as possible, like it's brand new coming off the showroom. Like I was saying, look at that. The foam is not spraying back.
That's pretty nice.
That's smooth.
They changed it. Nah,
It's smooth now, look.
I mean, not as much as it usually does.
No, I normally it comes out like that all the time.
Yeah, it comes out of the cap.
It's not shooting the hose out. Oh, my fault. No, it's good.
Muy bien, John, muy bien. So we're just here vlogging with the folks. No leaking. Well, I'm gonna have to bleep that out, but hopefully it wasn't heard. I'm sure Azon is having his cussing revoked.
Don't judge me.
I bet you there has to be a way to bleep this.
But today is work on your own car day at Hartford Toyota. These are the techs here, part of the Orange Den Garage as well.
I'm the sexiest tech back here. Any of y'all got something to say about it, y'all can meet me block.
Got a nice chain on. Look, this guy is cooling out here. Look at these J's he got on.
Jay's on my feet, you know what I mean?
He cooling, you know? But
Nah, chill, bro.
yo, Brandon, you want to close out this video? Come on, Brandon. Say bye to the people. Oh, Eric with the rejection.
Tending. Go tending.
Want to close this out for us, Brandon?
11?
You want to close this video out for us?
No, I'm good.
Yeah,
Blushing.
you know you ain't camera shy. You know you're not camera shy.
And that's Groot. We out of here. Orange Den Garage. And you know, we in here, baby. Stop.